Hello guys, welcome back to the Do It Right Tech channel where I take you through everything tech. And in today's video, we're diving right in, showing you how to find out the AdSense account associated with your YouTube channel. But before we go in, don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. Let's go right in. So first and foremost, what you want to do is you want to come into, open a tab in your Google Chrome or whichever browser you're using. Then click and type studio dot YouTube. Right, I have one already available, so it's going to look like this, but I can just click on this, and once we're here, we click on this, it's going to go into the channel that you have already. Now once you're inside here, you want to come to the left side and then go to earn. Okay, once you click on earn, on the right hand side, you're going to find down here, you're going to find YouTube Partner Program options, and you're going to find AdSense for YouTube. You're going to see the AdSense account associated with this. Now, in this instance, I'm going to show you something because here we've done a bit of a change. The way you want to verify this is usually to come, open a new tab, and then type in AdSense. Okay. And you can go to sign in. Once you're sign in, I'm showing you something. In every AdSense account, you want to come to account and then settings, and you're going to find account information. You're going to be seeing the AdSense account associated with the YouTube channel here. But in this instance, this has been changed. You can see, for safety reasons, you're just going to see the first two numbers. You're going to see the icon here is the same icon here. But the AdSense account publisher number here, the ID here, is different. This one starts with 68, whereas this one starts with 20. So that is definitely not it. Okay, I'm going to log into another one, which is going to be the one we are supposed to be using. So I'm just logging into another AdSense account, and then we're going to go to the same place, accounts, and then you're going to see here that this one has the same number that we're looking for, 68, and the rest continue. For safety and security reasons, I'm unable to show that to you. So we see also here 68. So you just want to make sure that the AdSense ID, publisher ID that is here, is the same as the one in your AdSense account, and that will mean that that AdSense account is associated with that YouTube channel. So all your earnings are going to be channeled here. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I hope this video was beneficial to you. If there is something you want me to talk about next, you can let me know in the comment section. But until later, don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.